bringing it.
Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make straight light using Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's come to the steps. Here, I have already placed an image has a electricity pole and I want to make a light reflection from this electricity pole. So take a new blank layer, take your rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Now take your move tool, hold the Ctrl Shift Alt key from your keyboard and adjust like this and click OK. Now rotate according to your preferences and set over the light area. And click OK. Now take your pen tool, left click from your mouse and select make selection. Make sure the feather radius is set to 0 and click OK. Now take a new blank layer, just take your gradient tool and select the gradient to black to white. Now double click on the gradient layer and set the black opacity to 0%. Click OK. After that, drag like this. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect the selection and hide the rectangle layer. It is very sharp, so select the layer, go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. And adjust like this. You can also decrease the opacity to get fine results. So guys, here is the outcome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.